Hello and welcome to Plug TV Live, where we update you on all the interesting gists and news going on around the world. DCC arrests Efcc acting chairman Ibrahim Magu. Ibrahim Magu, acting chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (Efcc), has been arrested by the Department of State Services (DSS). According to Sahara reporters, he was arrested over allegations that he owns 4 properties. He is also alleged to have transferred funds abroad through a third party. In 2016, DSS accused the Efcc boss of living in a 40 million naira mansion paid for by one Umar Mohammed, a retired Air Commodore. Reports say Magu is currently occupying a residence rented at 40 million naira at 20 million per annum. This accommodation was not paid for from the Commission's finances but by one Umar Mohammed, Air Commodore retired, a questionable businessman who has subsequently been arrested by the Secret Service. DSS stated that Magu enlisted the Federal Capital Development Authority to award a contract to Africa Energy, a company owned by the same Mohammed, to furnish the residence at the cost of 43 million naira. In one such trip, the report added that Magu flew to Duguri alongside Mohammed with a bank MD who was being investigated by the EFCC over complicity in funds allegedly stolen by the immediate past petroleum minister Dianzini Alison Madueke. Furthermore, the EFCC boss has so far maintained a high-profile lifestyle. This is exemplified by his preference for first-class air travels. On June 24, 2016, he flew Emirates Airlines first class to Saudi Arabia to perform lesser Hajj at the cost of 2.9 million naira. This is in spite of Mr. President's directive to all public servants to fly economy class. Magu has fostered a beneficial relationship with Mohammed, who by his confession approaches clients for possible exploitation, favors, and associated returns, the DSS report said.